Welcome back, my amazing and wonderful subscribers and viewers. Welcome to Grandma Esohe's cooking channel. I hope you will like the next cooking video you are going to view now. Enjoy and always practice one or two of them. And please do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you. Enjoy. Hello, my lovely viewers. We'll be cooking spinach stew. We have 1 cup of oil already in the pan and leave it to heat up. And we are adding sliced tomatoes, 2 types of colored bell peppers, and also habanero pepper all in there. This kind of spinach stew can be used to eat rice or plantain. It's very good. You can use it to eat anything. You can even use it to eat eba when it is made. So that is the ingredients we have put there. Some people add some crayfish if you like. It is optional, but I didn't add crayfish now. But a lot of people like crayfish. You leave it to simmer for about 15 minutes, about 15 to 20 minutes. And it's very nutritious. Then we are now going to add our spices. We're adding our spices. That is another a little bit of onion powder in it as well. The next is cumin powder, cumin spice. And then next is cinnamon spice powder. We put some shakes in it, not too much, just to. Then you have the paprika powder to make the stew reddish, to give it its color. And we add some curry powder. All these spices are very nutritious. And then the next spice we'll add will be bodilon cubes. We'll add in our bodilon cubes to it. That's 4 cubes. You can use the Maggi, that is 1, or you use the pair, but 2 to 4. Then we'll be adding some black pepper, ground black pepper to it, and some thyme leaves. So this kind of stew is spice dense, which is very good for the body. All those spices have their nutritional value. And then we're going to stir and leave for some minutes. Then we are putting I'm using cow foot, already parboiled stuff, cow foot in it. I had that in the house. You can use any protein that you like: fish, meat, chicken, turkey, any protein that you like. You can even have more than one type of protein. The more the merrier, and it tastes very good. So We're going to stir. This is cow foot that it's been boiled and made very soft. Adding it to it, you can add other types of protein, as I said. Then it's time to now squeeze the already cut spinach. It's bought in the supermarket like that. You leave it to thaw so that there won't be too much water in the stew. If you just put it from the freezer like that into your sauce that you have made, there will be too much water. And this kind of spinach stew, we don't want too much water in it, so we're going to thaw the spinach that was in the freezer. After thawing it, you now squeeze it and put in the sauce. I use about 3 pounds of spinach. That is what is in here. The big packet of cut, sliced, washed, sliced spinach. About 3 pounds of it. And you just stir very well into the sauce, and you cover it for another 15 minutes, not up to 20, and then you salt to taste. As I said, you can use this vegetable for rice, for boiled plantain, even to eat swallow, to eat fufu or eba or pounded yam. It's also very good for it. You don't allow the spinach to overcook. You just leave it just simmers. The leaves are already soft, so you don't overcook the vegetable. You should still have it greenish color when you are done cooking. So thanks for watching, and I hope you try it at home. Bye.